So, good day. Today we're going to create inverted pyramid pattern. So, dito sa first row, we insert the console that right please enter the size since nakadepende sa user yung i-input na size. So, sa data type naman, ang ginamit ko ay int size is equals to int.parse console.readline. So, let's assume that the user input size is 3. So, int x is equals to size. So, bali ang size natin is 3. So, 3 is greater than equal 1 to 1, which is true. Kaya, papasok tayo sa inner loop. So, y is equals to x. Yung y daw is equals to x. So, bali, ang y natin is 3. Bali, 3. Y is less than or equal to the size, which is 3. So, yung y ba daw is less than or equal to the size, which is true. Kaya papasok tayo dito. Ibig sabihin, mag-print out tayo ng isang space. Then, papasok tayo dito sa loop na to. Bali, ang value ni b is 1. So, b is less than to x. So, ang current value ni x is 3. So, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, v is less than to x, which is 6. So, the answer is true. Kaya naman, papasok tayo dito sa dito. So, ibig sabihin, mag-print out tayo ng 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yung nilagay natin kasi nagsimula tayo sa 1. So, natapos tayo sa 5. So, 5. Since mag-i-increment daw, so ibig sabihin no pala. Since natapos tayo sa 6, ibig sabihin tayo magiging 6. So, 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So, 7 is less than, so v is less than 2 x, which is false. Ibig sabihin yan, lalabas na tayo dito sa console that right line. So, after nyan, babalik na tayo dito. So, since decrement ito, ibig sabihin, pabawas. So, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So, 2 is greater than equal to 1, which is true. Kaya, papasok tayo dito sa inner loop. Then, ang value ni y is magiging 2 na. So, y is less than or equal to the size, which is true. Kaya, mag-print out tayo dito ng console.write space. So, kanina, galing tayo sa right line. So, ibig sabihin, bababa tayo dito. Print out tayo ng isang space. Then, after nyan, since nag-output tayo nitong space, babalik tayo dito. So, mag-i-increment siya. So, ibig sabihin, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So, 3 is less than or equal to size, which is true. Kaya papasok ulit tayo dito. Nag-output na naman tayo ng isang space. So, bale, after nyan, babalik tayo dito. So, bale, ito pala ay mas marireset. So, ibig sabihin, babalik siya sa 1. So, kung kanina ang value ng x is 3, ngayon magiging 2 na lang siya. So, b is less than 2x. So, 2 times 2 is equals to 6. So, b is less than 2x, which is true. So, ibig sabihin, mag-print out tayo ng tatlo. 1, 2, 3. So, ayan. So, taas ulit tayo dito. Since, tapos tayo, 4. So, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Since nag-increment tayo. So, bale, v is less than 2x. Which is magiging false na siya kasi malaki yung 5 sa 4 kasi 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So, ibig sabihin dito tayo papasok sa console.write line. So, let us say na nandito yung ating cursor. So, balik tayo ulit dito. So, kung kanina, since decrement, sabi sabihin, mababawasan to, magiging 1 siya. So, 1 is greater than equal to 1, which is true. So, again, mababawasan itong value ni y. Magiging 1 na siya. 1. So, y is less than or equal to the size, which is true. So, pasok ulit dito sa condition. By the way, since nagsimula tayo sa 1, ipiprint out natin na space is dalawa. 1, 2. So, mag-plus ulit yan. So, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So, 2 is less than or equals to 3, which is true. So, pasok ulit tayo dyan. Kanina nandito yung cashier natin. So, nandito na. So, baba tayo dito. Again, marireset to. Giging 1 ulit yan. Value ng x is 1. So, 1 times 2 equals 2. So, v is less than 2x, which is true. So, bababa tayo dito. I-print out natin is isa lang. Yan. So, ito 2. So, 2 is less than or 2 is less than v is less than to x, which is false. So, bababa tayo sa console.write line. So, again, dito, balik tayo dito. So, magiging i-decrement siya. So, magiging 0 na siya. So, ang value ng y natin is magiging 0 na din. So, 0, no. Pag nag-zero na pala to, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya gagana. Hindi na siya mag-proceed dito kasi nag-false na yung value niya. So, ibig sabihin, dito natitigil. Hindi na siya magraran. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan nito. So, ayan, let us say 5 input ni user. So, ayan, output.